Making money while you sleep is one of the most attractive concepts around, and for most of us, this idea is only a pipe dream. But hold on a sec, there are actually a ton of passive income opportunities out there that can make this idea a reality. Passive income is money streams that require most of the hard work up front at the beginning, followed with smaller, continuous efforts to maintain. In most cases, attaining passive income means making an initial investment that ends up paying off over time. Just like with any other business venture, you need to have a thorough understanding about the business you want to get into before you start. In this video, we'll be showing you 10 autopilot money-making ideas that we think are the best ways to make passive income. Number 1. Advertise on your car. For many of us, driving around is something we already do every day. The price of gas plus the cost of maintaining a vehicle may quickly add up, and when there's a significant amount of driving involved, like traveling to and from work, running errands, meeting with friends, even going to the gym, what if there is a method for you to compensate for those costs? Well, there are companies out there that will pay you hundreds of dollars every month to place advertisements on your vehicle. If you don't mind driving around with stickers or wraps on your car, you'll be able to create a nice, steady passive income every month. Number 2, create a blog or YouTube channel. What are you passionate about? What are you really interested in? Do you consider yourself an expert at anything? Well, there are millions of people out there that share the same passions and have the same interests as you. Some people could also benefit from your expertise. If you consistently publish good content based around a specific topic, you can generate passive income from advertisements and sponsorships, even sell your own merchandise. Right now, you might be saying things like, "I'm not a writer," or "I don't know how to edit videos." The good thing is, you have options. You can either learn these skills yourself or outsource these skills to freelancers online at a reasonable price. At the end of the day, it takes a lot of work to build a following at first, but blog articles and YouTube content lasts forever on Google and on the internet, making this a really strong opportunity to generate passive income. Another way to monetize your blog or YouTube channel is with number 3, affiliate marketing. Many well-known companies offer an opportunity for you to partner with them by joining their affiliate program. When you become an affiliate with a company, they provide you with unique links to their products. When someone clicks on your affiliate link, it is recorded that the referral came from your link, and you're paid a commission on each sale. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because you can earn money by simply adding a link to your website or social media account. In reality, you won't make any money if you can't get visitors to click on the link and buy something. So a good strategy is to provide your audience with as much value as you possibly can first, then present an offer or a call to action that leads them to your affiliate link. Many marketers even use sales funnels or automations to collect leads for a specific problem, then later present their affiliate link on a web page or in an email as the solution. This is a great way to keep in touch with potential buyers. Overall, if you can find a way to build a big following on social media, your blog or YouTube, affiliate marketing can be a powerful passive income opportunity. Number 4, sell your photos online. If you're the type of person that likes to take pictures of things like cities, sceneries, animals, nature, or you just like to take pictures of just about anything, you might want to do a Google search of where to sell your photos online. Once you find the best platform for you and are approved, you will have to license your photos to be used by whomever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You'll need to upload photos that are appealing to a certain audience or show a specific scene. Once you figure out where the demand is and provide photos that fit that criteria, this could be a nice passive income stream. Number 5, digital products. When dealing with physical products, you have to consider major factors like production and shipping on every order. With digital products, you only have to create your product one time, plus it's delivered to your customer online, eliminating all of the headaches involved with product fulfillment. We're all familiar with digital products like music, movies, and ebooks, but you can also sell webinars, interviews, audiobooks, and how-to videos digitally. Designs, pictures, worksheets, and art can also be used as digital products. As the e-learning industry grows, several different platforms give us the ability to provide entire courses online, organized into modules and intricate user interfaces. The ability to automate sales is another big benefit of selling digital products online. If you use the right marketing tools and strategies, this can be one of the most passive options to generate income. Number 6. Print on demand. By opening a print-on-demand shop, you can sell your own designs on shirts, hats, mugs, posters, and other items without having to deal with stock and shipping. All you have to do is choose your provider, upload your design file, choose the products you want to sell, promote, and send people to your online store. When an order is placed on your site, the provider creates the products and ships it to your customers directly. If you can get attention to your products with social media or advertising, you can rake in sales on Autopilot, making this a nice passive income source. Number 7. Create an app. Remember those Apple commercials that used to say, "There's an app for that"? That's because most apps are created to solve a problem or make life easier in some way. In addition, there are a great number of mobile applications that are also used for recreational purposes. Creating a mobile application and selling it through the Google Play or Apple App Store is a great way to use your creative skills as a software developer. If you can think of a way to solve a problem, make a game, or create some sort of unique entertaining experience with your app, then you can make some serious passive income. Obviously, we aren't all software developers, but if you do your research, you may be able to find a freelancer that can create it for you at a reasonable price. Just make sure you have a very detailed understanding of everything you want your app to do, so the developer can bring it to life the right way. Number 8. Self-publishing. If you have a lot of experience writing, or if you have a good idea for a story or novel, you can publish a book and sell it online. Many people use a service called Kindle Direct Publishing, which gives you the ability to convert your written work into an ebook or print copy and then sell it directly on Amazon. This works just like print on demand, where Amazon would create the physical book when it is ordered and send it directly to the customer. This idea also works for people that like to create digital designs. You can design and sell low-content books, such as journals, notebooks, and even children's books. If you can find a very specific niche on Amazon with low competition, this could be an extremely lucrative passive income opportunity. Number 9. Investing. There are many different ways to invest money, including the stock market, mutual funds, bonds, and even peer-to-peer lending. Most of these financial investments require just minimal maintenance, since interest is accrued on the investment over time. With dividend-yielding stocks, you receive a payment at regular intervals from a company. The company then pays cash dividends out of their profits on a quarterly basis, and all you have to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid out per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the more money you'll get. If you hold cryptocurrency, there are several platforms that allow you to stake your tokens and receive a percentage back daily in rewards. Always remember to do your own research or consult with a financial professional to determine which kind of investments will yield the highest return for you. Number 10. Real estate. One of the most efficient strategies for generating passive income is to invest in rental houses. However, it typically demands a greater amount of effort than people anticipate. Whether you house long-term tenants or short-term renters, this passive income source comes with all of the responsibilities of regular homeownership. One of the most significant advantages of owning a rental property is that you can begin earning money as soon as the first renters move in. If you save most or all of the cash flow, you can quickly build up more than enough security funds for any maintenance costs needed. Some people even buy a duplex or triplex, live in one of the units, and rent out the remaining units. In many cases, the tenants are paying most of the mortgage. Another option is Airbnb, where you use an online marketplace to rent out your property short-term. Whichever route you choose, real estate is one of the most proven ways to make passive income.